Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you drink peppermint tea? For centuries, peppermint tea has been a staple in many cultures, lauded for its refreshing flavor and its numerous health benefits. Today, we delve deep into the effects of this popular herbal remedy on your body, supported by scientific evidence. Peppermint tea, derived from the leaves of the peppermint plant, is not just a beverage but a powerful herbal ally. Each sip offers a unique combination of cooling and soothing effects that can influence bodily functions from your brain to your bowels. As we explore its myriad benefits, we will uncover how this simple yet potent tea can play a pivotal role in maintaining and improving health, all validated by robust scientific research. This video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how peppermint tea interacts with your body to enhance your overall well-being. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking any medication. Peppermint's role in folk medicine. Historically, peppermint has been revered not just for its invigorating scent and taste, but also for its medicinal properties. Traditionally used to soothe stomach ailments, enhance digestion, and clear congested airways, peppermint has a long-standing presence in folk medicine across different cultures. This background sets the stage for understanding its contemporary applications and the scientific scrutiny it has undergone. Beyond these common uses, peppermint has also been employed in various other traditional practices for its cooling properties. It was often used in poultices and balms to alleviate skin irritations and headaches. Additionally, many cultures utilized peppermint as a natural remedy to combat nausea and to stimulate the appetite during times of illness. These diverse applications highlight peppermint's versatility and its esteemed position within herbal medicine traditions, paving the way for its enduring popularity in modern health and wellness circles. Scientific studies on peppermint. Recent research has brought peppermint tea to the forefront of herbal remedies, with numerous studies validating its health benefits. Key findings include: a study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research highlighted peppermint tea's effectiveness in reducing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Research in alimentary pharmacology and therapeutics demonstrated its role in improving digestion. The European Respiratory Journal reported that inhaling peppermint oil can help ease congestion. Antioxidant enhancement was noted in a publication by the Journal of Complementary and Integrative Medicine. Top 10 Peppermint Tea Health Benefits. Peppermint tea is not just a delightfully refreshing beverage. It's also packed with a variety of health benefits that have been cherished in herbal medicine for ages. From soothing the digestive tract to enhancing mental alertness, the benefits of peppermint tea are both broad and profound. In this segment, we will explore the top 10 health benefits of peppermint tea, each backed by scientific studies, to understand how this simple herb can significantly improve your health and quality of life. Let's uncover the powerful impacts this tea can have on your body, one cup at a time. 1. Soothes the digestive system. It relaxes the gastrointestinal tract muscles, easing symptoms of IBS and indigestion. This relaxing effect on the gastrointestinal tract is not just limited to reducing discomfort. This makes peppermint tea an excellent after-meal choice for those looking to support a smooth and comfortable digestive process. 2. Relieves respiratory issues. Furthermore, the menthol component found in peppermint acts as a natural decongestant, providing relief from nasal and respiratory congestion by dilating the bronchial vessels. This effect is especially beneficial during cold and flu season, as it aids in breathing more easily and can significantly alleviate the symptoms of sinusitis and asthma. The soothing properties of peppermint tea also help to calm the throat, reducing the irritation and the reflex that causes coughing. 3. Enhances sleep quality. Its muscle-relaxing and stress-relieving properties can contribute to a better night's sleep. In addition to its muscle-relaxing effects, peppermint tea is naturally caffeine-free, making it an ideal beverage before bedtime. Its soothing aroma also plays a part in lowering mental stress and preparing the mind for sleep. By incorporating peppermint tea into your evening routine, you may find it easier to unwind and transition into a peaceful state, which is essential for achieving deep, restorative sleep. This habit can be particularly helpful for those who struggle with sleep disturbances or insomnia. 4. Boosts immunity. With high levels of antioxidants, peppermint tea supports the body's immune system. The antioxidants in peppermint tea, particularly flavonoids and phenolic compounds, play a crucial role in protecting the body's cells from damage by free radicals. This defense mechanism helps reduce oxidative stress, which is associated with numerous diseases, including those that affect the immune system. Regular consumption of peppermint tea can thus fortify your body's defenses against common pathogens and potentially lower the risk of infections, providing a natural boost to your immune health. 5. Improves concentration. The invigorating scent of peppermint is not just pleasing to the senses, it also has a stimulating effect on the brain. This stimulation can lead to increased concentration and focus, making peppermint tea a great choice for those needing to stay alert during long work hours or intense study sessions. Furthermore, the natural properties of peppermint help in moderating stress and mental fatigue, thus maintaining cognitive performance even under pressure or during prolonged mental activity. 6. Reduces stress and anxiety. Peppermint tea's calming effect on the central nervous system extends beyond muscle relaxation. It also influences the mood-regulating neurotransmitters within the brain. This makes it an excellent beverage choice for those moments when you need to de-stress or seek mental clarity in the midst of a hectic day. 7. Aids in weight loss. By promoting satiety and reducing cravings, it can support weight loss efforts. By improving the rate at which the body processes fat, it not only aids in digesting meals more efficiently but also in burning calories at a faster pace. This metabolic boost, when combined with its ability to promote satiety, makes peppermint tea an excellent complement to a healthy diet and exercise regimen for those looking to shed extra pounds. 8. Antimicrobial properties. Peppermint tea's antimicrobial effects are not limited to the digestive tract. They extend to other areas of the body as well. Its active ingredients, such as menthol and rosmarinic acid, have been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. This broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity can be particularly beneficial for maintaining oral health, as it helps reduce bacterial growth that can lead to dental plaque, cavities, and gum disease. Regularly consuming peppermint tea can thus contribute to a healthier mouth and a fresher breath. 9. Relieves menstrual cramps. In addition to its muscle relaxant properties, peppermint tea can also help balance the hormonal fluctuations that often contribute to menstrual discomfort. The natural calming effect of peppermint tea is beneficial in soothing not only physical symptoms, but also the emotional and psychological stress associated with menstrual periods. This holistic approach can significantly improve comfort during menstruation, making peppermint tea a favored choice for many women seeking natural relief from menstrual symptoms. 10. Improves oral health. Its antibacterial properties help fight harmful bacteria in the mouth, improving oral health. The benefits of peppermint tea for oral health also include its ability to freshen breath naturally. The menthol in peppermint is not only effective at killing bacteria but also at masking bad odors, providing a double action that enhances oral hygiene. Drinking peppermint tea can serve as a natural after-meal rinse, helping to cleanse the palate and reduce the buildup of plaque-causing residues. This can be particularly beneficial after consuming foods with strong odors or sugars that can lead to tooth decay. Peppermint tea side effects. While peppermint tea is generally safe for most people, it can cause some side effects, including heartburn, allergic reactions, and interactions with certain medications. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider if you have concerns about these potential effects. Another possible side effect of peppermint tea is its diuretic properties, which may lead to increased urination. This can be particularly noticeable in people sensitive to diuretic effects or those who consume large quantities of peppermint tea. Increased urination can lead to a decrease in electrolyte levels, particularly if fluid intake is not adequately increased. Therefore, moderation is advised, especially for individuals with kidney issues or those taking diuretic medications. Frequently asked questions. Is it okay to drink peppermint tea every day? Yes, in moderate amounts. Drinking peppermint tea regularly in moderation can contribute to overall wellness by leveraging its health benefits daily. However, it's important to consider individual tolerance and health conditions. While most people can enjoy peppermint tea daily without issues, those with specific health concerns, such as acid reflux or a hiatal hernia, may need to monitor their intake. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help determine the right amount for your personal health needs. Why drink peppermint tea before bed? The soothing properties of peppermint help reduce physical and mental stress, creating an ideal state for transitioning into sleep. This can be especially useful for those who experience restless nights or difficulty falling asleep, as it promotes a more relaxed and uninterrupted sleep cycle. When shouldn't you drink peppermint tea? Avoid if you have GERD or are on certain medications. Additionally, peppermint tea may interfere with the absorption of certain dietary minerals, such as iron, and medications due to its high menthol content. This can be particularly important for individuals with specific nutritional deficiencies or those on a regimented medication schedule. Pregnant women and nursing mothers should also exercise caution and consult healthcare providers before incorporating peppermint tea into their diets to ensure it does not adversely affect their health or the baby's. Does peppermint tea detox your body? This can be particularly important for individuals with specific nutritional deficiencies or those on a regimented medication schedule. Pregnant women and nursing mothers should also exercise caution and consult healthcare providers before incorporating peppermint tea into their diets to ensure it does not adversely affect their health or the baby's. Is peppermint tea a laxative? It can help ease digestion but is not a strong laxative. While peppermint tea is gentle on the digestive system and can help ease minor discomfort such as bloating and gas, it does not possess the strong purgative effects that are typical of more potent laxatives. This makes it an ideal choice for daily consumption to support digestive health without the risk of disrupting normal bowel functions or causing dependency, which is often associated with stronger laxative products. Who should not drink peppermint tea? Those with GERD, pregnant women, or those on certain medications. In addition to the groups mentioned, individuals with allergies to menthol or other compounds found in peppermint should also avoid drinking peppermint tea. It's also wise for people with severe forms of heartburn or those diagnosed with a hiatal hernia to steer clear, as peppermint can relax the sphincter between the stomach and esophagus, potentially worsening symptoms. Consulting with a healthcare provider is advisable to ensure that peppermint tea is safe for your specific health condition. How long does it take for peppermint tea to work? Effects can be felt within minutes to hours, depending on the benefit. The quick onset of peppermint tea's effects makes it a favored remedy for immediate relief from acute symptoms like headaches, nausea, and indigestion. However, for benefits such as improved digestion or stress reduction, the effects may accumulate over time with regular consumption. This means that while some effects are almost instantaneous, others, like enhancing overall digestive health or reducing chronic stress levels, might require consistent intake over a period to be fully realized. Peppermint tea offers an array of health benefits that extend from the digestive system to mental well-being. If you found this information enlightening, please like this video, Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on healthy living tips. Don't forget to check out the link in the bio for more insights and opportunities. Have you experienced any benefits from drinking peppermint tea? Share your stories in the comments below.